Hey y'all, welcome back to Christy's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to do keto burnt cheesecake. I keep seeing this recipe pop up everywhere, so I just got to give it a try. I love cheesecake, and just the thought of having a keto cheesecake seems a little scary, but I will say that I use Swerve as my sugar substitute, and it has no aftertaste. I'm one of those that I cannot stand anything Diet Cokes or Zeros or whatever. I can't stand that aftertaste. But the few things I've used with the Swerve, I have not noticed anything. And Lloyd agrees, which he doesn't mind Diet Cokes, but I'm one of those that I could taste it immediately if it has that fake sugar taste. I'm doing my intro outside here, but I will be cooking the cheesecake indoors. It's just way too loud in my kitchen right now between the two kids and Lloyd. So anyways, I'll have some music background, but I will put all the information in the description box as usual.
All right, folks, I've been out here working out in the yard. Of course, it's June here in Georgia, and it's hotter than four hells. Ain't even got close to July yet, so that's why I'm all sweaty and nasty. So Christy made me a keto burnt cheesecake, and who would ever thought you'd have cheesecake on a diet? So I've been wondering how this thing is going to taste. It's not the prettiest thing I've ever seen in the world.
It's burnt.
Yeah, it's burnt all right.
As the title says.
Yeah, that son of a bitch here is about as ugly as that day I found out I couldn't drink beer on this diet. But no, it looks great. Like I said, it is ugly as hell. It looks like it fell out of an ugly tree, hit every branch, and got hung up in the roots for a couple of days. But we're gonna give it a damn try here and see how it is. Boy, it smells good.
It's a little thin. There's several recipes. That one only called for 2 blocks of cream cheese. I think I'm gonna try the bigger one with the 4 blocks. How's it taste?
That's delicious, folks. That is that's amazing how good it is.
Does it have aftertaste?
No aftertaste, nothing like that. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you, this ain't like one of them big old fat ones she makes back in the day before we was on a diet. It can't hold a candle of that.
No.
But this is good. I mean, I've never had nothing. I mean, I've had some diet desserts that tasted like crap, and you tasted the son of a bitch for 2 or 3 days afterward. Just had that weird aftertaste. This doesn't. This is delicious. This is some damn good cheesecake. I mean, look at it. Guys, I'm telling you, if you're on this journey with us, you got to try this. It's a hell of a treat. Thanks, guys. Y'all have a good one.